Welcome to Oracle SQL and PLSQL session. So what is package first of all? So you are going to some tour, you assume that, or you are going somewhere, you are native or somewhere you are going. So first what will you do? So you'll put all your things into one single package, right? You'll bag it and then you'll go, right? Same way in project. So we need to do some code. We have to, for the entire project, we have to do some code. So your lead is saying that, okay, so all of them don't work on one single component. We will split this into multiple subprograms. Okay, entire code we will split into multiple subprograms like this. Okay, so one person you work on the subprogram, one person you work on this one person you can work on this one. See, for an example, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You assume that in that way. See, all the persons are different. We are working on it. Okay, you compile it. You say whether it is successful or not. Just you, another person compile it. You say it's a compiled or not. See, your multiple persons are working in different way, and all after that, after doing it, you can make all this into single package. So this is the single package we are making. We are making all this into single package, and this is called package. So you can write any subprograms here. Okay, inside you can write subprograms, anything. Package will have two different parts. Okay, so what is it? Package will have two different parts. The first one is package specification. So you have to write the package specification. Your lead is saying that, you assume that specification you are going with. We are having these many submodules. We have to write. He will write. See all this. Okay, so this is the procedure. So this is the function. This is the procedure. All this we have to write. 3 or 4. We will write it here. Just we will declare it. Okay, you assume that it's like a declaration. A specification, we will do it. That's it. So what needs to be done? And then package body. So inside the package body only, okay, whatever we are writing here, okay, whatever the package we have, the procedure or function. So that definition we will write it here. Simply we will say it's a add number. Okay, add number or add multiplication, something multiplication of numbers, something like that. We will define only here, declare here, but we will define it. So what is it? See, all this we will write it separate module. Then we will compile it. We'll check it. So once it has been compiled and everything, we will put it in single package. So whenever it's like a modularity. So whenever I want to call this one, so no need to remember this package, this procedure name. So if you take this package name, if you click on the dot, it will list down all your procedure or function names inside the package. Okay. So that's what we'll go for the package. So if you have the package, two different parts. What is that? The first one is package specification. Specifications you will have. So you have to declare here the variables, functions, and procedures. Just to declare it. Package will have two different parts. One is package specifications, another one is package body. Inside the package body, you can write your functions, procedures, or whatever. Inside the function, you can go for nested function. Inside the procedure, you can call the functions. So you can write anywhere and you can handle it exception. If you want even cursor also, you can write it. Okay. So anything you can write inside the function, you can write. See all this cursor, all this you can go for procedure, cursor, everything you can write it. This is what package will have. So package is nothing but it is group logically related components. Okay, logically related components. So PLSQL, this is PLSQL type, right? So PLSQL types and named blocks, variables, data structure, and exceptions. So you can put it and subprograms. So procedure and functions. Yes, the two are subprograms. You can write it. It has two parts. One is specification, another one is body. Okay. So enable the Oracle server to read the multiple objects into memory at once. So that's what the performance wise. So the entire package, okay, it will read multiple object into memory at once. So that's what it will do whenever we are going for any package calling. And if you see this is the components of PLSQL package. So we have the package specification. You have the variable here. We have the procedure A. So we are just mentioning that procedure A, that's it. So whatever the variable you are declaring here, so that should be a public variable. It's like a global variable. So if you are mentioning a variable here, that will be visible to all the procedures and functions. If you are defining any variable here, that will be a private variable. Okay, private variable. It will be private to this particular package body. And if you are declaring any variable inside the procedures, that is called local variable. Okay, so you can define multiple way. So I will explain this later. Okay, so here if you see this is local variable, this is private variable, this is public variable. Okay, package visibility we will see. So that time you will come to know what is this. If you see this, so what is this? This is called package specification. What is this? Create or replace. Here we will write the keyword called package. Okay, we will write only create or replace the keyword called package name, and as it is like as an is or as you can put, and public type. So this is public variable. That's why we are making that public type, variable declaration, subprogram specifications, and end, then package name. So you can put the package name here so that you can assume that. See, this is package specification. So you can do all this. So if you have the package body, create or replace package, you will have one keyword here called package body. Okay, just simply if you have the keyword called body, then that means it's a package body. Okay, if you see here, this is package specification. Just we are creating one package called commission package. So what is this variable? Standard commission. First we are declaring like initializing the value 10% in commission. That's it. It is the public variable. Just we are declaring. And then we are mentioning that procedure reset commission. Okay, this is the commission, right? After that, we are making some new commissions. We are resetting it whenever we are passing here. Yes. So this is called package specification. Okay. Then we will write the package body. So if you are writing package body, you'll be having a keyword called body here. Yes, you'll be having a package. Then we'll be having a body, package name, and you'll be having a private type here. So previously it's a public type, right? See here, it's a public, it's a global variable. But this is, if you want to privately, you want to declare some data types, yes, you can declare here subprogram bodies, and then begin and end. Within that, you can put all this. So that is what you will go for package body. If you see this, you'll be seeing the keyword here, body of the package. Same name you will use it here. Whatever the package specification we have mentioned here, right? Here we have mentioned COMM_package, right? The same name we will mention here. What is this? Create or replace package body commission percentage is we are writing one function here up to this one function. This is called one procedure. How many subprograms we are writing? 2 subprograms. See here in the package body, we will write create or replace package body. But in the function, right? The function or procedures here, We will not write create or replace. Are we writing any create or replace? Function name, all this? No. Directly you can write function and directly you can write procedure. That's it. Function name, parameters, return. If it is function, yes, you have to write return. We are returning Boolean data type. Yes, we are returning. See, this is what we are returning. Something we are calculating and returning. Procedures. So procedure here, the function name is validate. Procedure name is reset commission. That's it. How to invoke? Invoke means how to call this. See, always if you want to call, you have to make execute. So you have to use the keyword called execute. We have to go for this way. Okay. Execute package name dot the function name. Package name dot function name or procedure name. Anything you can put. See, this is the package name. This is schema name. So this is my first package. I'm just writing first package here. I'll go for here. I will write create or replace package 1. Is this package body or package specification? So package create or replace package name. Is this package body or package specification? This is package specification. So here I'm not using any variable. Just I'm using two different subprograms. One is procedure, another one is function. So what is the procedure? It is simply one greetings one procedure, person name, input parameter, anything you can call, whatever we have seen so far, the function or procedures. So that you can call here, no issues. See, we have written. After that, first you can separately, you can execute. Then you can bring it all the subprograms into your package body. Create or replace package body, same name you have to provide here. What is the package specification you have mentioned? The same name you have to mention here as procedure here, and whatever here we have mentioned. Okay, procedure we have mentioned. Yes, you have to mention here, and person name in varchar 2. Just I'm mentioning this. Okay, hello. I'm just making this and function. So you can go for function 2, function 3. Sorry, any function you can write it here. You are making. That's why I told. So multiple end will be there, right? So if you don't use end, multiple end will be there. So that's why you can use end. What is this? You are ending this greeting one. Okay, just execute. It should be compiled. Yes, we have compiled it both. Then if I'm going with, so you can use execute. So you can use execute, procedure or function name, anything you can use. First package, if you are placing this dot, right? See here, this is execute dot. So if you are pressing dot, it will show you whatever the functions or packages are available. So that means you are making all this into functions and procedure into one single package. So that's what you have to use. First package here. And after that, you can use whatever you want. Okay, greetings one. What is this greetings one? That you have to know, you should know. So what should be passed here? Yes, you have to pass some value here as the character. Yes, inside you can pass. You can make, okay. So here I'm passing something like PLSQL. So it will print, right? The hello PLSQL, it's printing. That's it. So if you want, you can use hello function also. It's again function name. So you can pass some value here, right? Hello function, but this is the function here. So you have to pass hello function here, select statement, right? Select from dual, that's it. So it will print here. So I'm just passing PLSQL, but it has concatenated with hello. So that's what you can call this. This is very simple package, very simple package. See, whatever here we are using, So that should be used here. So I will go for one more package here. See, one more package, employee function. So this is also similar only. This one we have already seen, right? See, first of all, for package, you have to write functions and procedures separately. Then if you want, you can take that. So you remember we have seen overloading concept, right? First, I will take create or replace package, package name here, package overload, add numbers. First, I will take procedure. First, I will take one procedure, add now. Let us see. This is the one, A number, P number, procedures, add num, A number, B number, and C number. So I have compiled it. It's a package. I have executed these two procedures. Both are procedure. Okay. So I will go to the package body now. See, this is the package body. I'm just writing package body. I'm just writing. So create or replace package body, and this is the package name. First procedure, add number, two argument. I'm printing that the sum of two number are this one. The sum of three numbers are, right. Three numbers are this one. So A plus B plus C. Just I'm converting into a character. I'm just printing it. So I will compile it. Has been compiled. So now I will, this is the procedure, right? Exec, this is the one. You can write the same thing with function also. It's up to you. So I'm going to use package dot add number, right? Add underscore num. I can use two different numbers here. Okay, just I'm using two parameters only. So if I use two parameters, it will be called, so it will call this procedure. Okay, this procedure. So I'm going to execute it. It will give you the sum of two numbers are 11. Okay, same thing. I'm going to make it like 3. Okay, 3 numbers or anything, any numbers you can put. Same package, same function name. But I'm going to call this. It will print sum of 3 numbers are. Same procedure. You can write it like a function. Next one, forward reference. See, what is the forward reference here? What is the forward reference? In PLSQL statement, this one they will ask in interview also. Forward reference. What is forward reference in PLSQL? Declare procedure. Procedure 1 is begin. I'm writing DBMS output put line. This is the procedure 1. End. Okay. Declare. I'm declaring procedure here. Within the declare, I'm declaring procedure 2. Begin and end. So within the begin and end, I'm using procedure 1. Right? So what will happen if I'm going to execute? So if I'm going to execute, what will happen? Which one will be printed? So what is the output? I will get it. So this should be printed, right? This is the procedure 1. Okay. Just if I'm going to execute, it should be printed. So this is procedure 1. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I will call procedure 1 here inside begin. Okay. I will call this procedure inside this procedure 1, what will happen? What is the result? This is procedure 1 declared. Inside the procedure I'm calling, but begin and end we are calling only procedure 1. What is the result? Okay, begin and end. This is declaration part, right? Declaration part, begin and end. Which one I'm calling? I'm calling procedure 1. What is procedure 1? Procedure 1 is still this one only. So it will be called same result only, right? Yes, same result only. So I'm calling procedure 2. What is the result? I will get it. So both will be printed, right? Yes. This is normal. This is normal scenario. Okay. So inside procedure 2, I have called procedure 1. Okay. Now I will change it. Inside the procedure 1, I will call procedure 2. Okay. Procedure 2. Then I'm calling procedure 1 here. So what is the result? This is procedure 2. Procedure 2, then 1. 2 and 1. Okay. Okay. First 2 will be printed, then 1 will be printed. See what I did? First I'm calling. I'm declaring the procedure 1. So inside the procedure 1, I'm calling procedure 2. Then I'm printing here. Then here I'm declaring the procedure 2, begin and end. Inside begin, I'm using procedure 1. See, this type of question they will ask in interview. I'm going to execute. Okay, we are getting error. Why? See, why we are getting error? Procedure 2 not declared in the scope. Why? Any idea? First we have we are declaring procedure 1. Inside the procedure 1, begin and end, right? Inside the procedure 1, begin and end, we are calling procedure 2. While compiling, the compiler may not know what is procedure 2. What is this? What is this PROC2, right? So you may not know what is this. This compiler may not know what is this. See, after coming into this, compiler knows it. Okay, this procedure proc is procedure, something like, but it cannot able to compile. That's why you are getting procedure 2 is not declared in the scope. This is what error you will get it. See, to avoid this particular error, we can declare it before procedure proc 2. We have to just declare it. See, we are not going to do what is this proc 2. See, we have used proc 2 here. We have to mention proc 2 is nothing but a procedure. Okay, so we are informing compiler that very first itself. Okay, wherever you are finding proc 2, that is nothing but a procedure. We are giving heads up. Then we are going inside. Okay, it will assume that, okay, it's like a procedure. We may get data, we may get the declaration part, this particular procedure. Okay, it will assume. It will not fail it. See here, it will not fail. Okay, so now we are getting, this is procedure number 2, this is procedure number 1. See, this type of error message you might be getting in real-time project, or they will ask you in interview. This is called forward reference. What is this? This is called forward reference. See, you are giving the reference before itself. You can use the same thing within the package also. Within the package also, you can use, see here, create or replace package body. You have to use the procedure here, same way. Okay, procedure, begin and end. Just you can use this. See, instead of declare, you can go for package. Package also you can do. So what is this is called? This is called forward reference. Okay, so next one is called package visibility. Okay, so package visibility. See, what is this? This is the same thing we have seen now. Package visibility. See, if you see this, create package ABC as we are using one function, one procedure, another procedure, wind package. Okay, we have created one package. This is package specification. It's a global package variable public function. Yes, this is global variable public function and procedures. Okay, now we'll go for create package body ABC. Create package body ABC as something like we are declaring. This variable is called private variable. This is global variable, public variable. This is private variable. If I'm using function one here, just I'm using function one, procedure one, and procedure two, and again I'm using procedure two here. Procedure one, inside the procedure one, I'm using procedure three, right? That is what we have seen now. So will it be executed? Yes, it will be executed. This is not forward reference. See, I'm not calling this, I'm just declaring it. So that will be executed, right? But this procedure P3, whether I have defined here, declared here, no, right? Whatever we are using inside this procedure P3, it will be a local variable. Okay, got it? Local variable. See, inside procedure 2, we are calling the procedure 3. That's okay. It will be executed. So how we have seen the forward reference, all this same way here also it will be used. Okay, so what is the advantage of packages? See, first advantage is modularity. So encapsulating related construct. So within single, so you are putting the logically grouped element into single package for easy maintenance, right? Easier application design. Yes, coding and compiling into uh, package specification differently, body separately. So you are hiding the information. Yes. So just you declare it and you can define all this function inside the package body. So two different modules you are using it. So that's what you can maintain all the modularities and everything.